Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Cars with Cuz, and today we start on the Lancer project. This is my buddy's 2003 Mitsubishi Lancer, and as you can see, it's in really rough shape. The bumper is all smashed up. This car has scratches everywhere, and when I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. Every single panel has a scratch on it. It also has dents and rust in multiple places, which we will have to fix. There are also broken panels, really sun damage and faded paint, and the trim on this car is not even black anymore. So we have to repair the trim, the rust, get rid of all the dents and scratches, and then finally paint the car. So with that being said, let's first start off by washing the car and see exactly what damage we are dealing with and how we can repair it. So let's first bring out our pressure washer, start it up, and let's give this car its first wash in who knows how long. And now that we've rinsed off the car, let's put our foam cannon on and let's foam up this car. And now with the car all soaped up, we need to get our microfiber wash mitt and wash this car by hand, making sure to go in a back and forth motion and not a circular motion to avoid getting swirl marks on the car. This car's paint job is already bad, we don't need to make it worse. Now as I wash this car, I really hope that some of these panels can just be buffed and polished instead of having to be sanded down and painted again. That's gonna save me a lot of time and effort and the owner a lot of money. Because a gallon of this paint cost around $400, and a gallon is what it would take to cover this entire car. With the hand wash complete, we can now rinse off the soap with our pressure washer again. Alright guys, the car is finally washed, and as you can see, it looks so much cleaner already. Yes, there are still mismatched panels. As you can see, the door and the fender are not the same color. The rust is still there. Obviously, just washing the car is not going to get rid of the rust. The dent is going to be pretty simple to fix in my opinion. There's a lot of mismatched panels, so we are going to have to paint. And as you can see, the rust right here, it's just the power washer just went right through it, and if I try to peel that off, it'll come right off. If I put my fingers behind the rust, you can see my fingers going right through. So we're probably gonna have to put some stainless steel mesh in there and then put some body filler on, make it look nice, and then paint it. And the sticker here on the gas cap, we're gonna have to remove that, which we can probably do with a rubber wheel. There's some residue here around the door. That should be pretty easy to take off with some buffing and polishing. As you can see, the mirrors are still faded, they weren't dirty. A lot of scratches on here and on the hood. It's like this, the previous owner of this car just put it in their garage and just kept stacking stuff on top of the car. And as you can see on the grill, I believe this is Plasti-Dip. I'm gonna find out later, but as you can see with the bumper, it's totally smashed, totally ruined. We're gonna need a new bumper, which I actually already got. Let me just go to my garage real quick. I picked this up off of Facebook Marketplace from a guy that was parting out his Mitsubishi Lancer, and it's a pretty good bumper in pretty good shape. Just gonna need to sand it down and paint it. As you can see, I already started sanding it down, but I caught myself. I was like, okay, I'm gonna film this project, so let's wait until I get to the sanding of the bumper, then we're gonna film it. The taillights I'm probably going to be tinting, and the dent right here, it should be pretty easy to pull out. We'll see. I have to check the laws in Wisconsin where this car was from for the taillights, but it's okay. I think I can figure it out, and I'll make it legal and make it look nice. This rust right here, we're gonna have to sand all this down. Probably gonna create another hole. Probably gonna have to use some more stainless steel mesh. This side skirt, and as you can see, the rust goes all the way down there. This side skirt, like the clips are just off, and we're gonna need some 3M adhesive tape or something to hold it on besides those clips. Now this fender is the nicest looking fender, minus that one little imperfection right there. I don't know how this happened to this car, but we're gonna fix it. That's probably the nicest looking panel on this car, and we're gonna make sure that the rest of the car matches that panel and fix all the scratches, all the dents, all the rust on this car. Now as for the engine bay, what I plan on doing here is just painting the valve covers and the exhaust manifold heat shield cover, and I'm probably gonna detail the engine bay as well. And the trunk, as you can see, there's no floor in here, so we're just gonna have to clean this up a little bit. I can't really do anything with the trunk, I'm just gonna clean it up. And then we're finally gonna detail the interior. That's gonna be probably the last video before the reveal. We're gonna detail the entire interior from top to bottom, and we're gonna make this car look like it's brand new when we're finished. So yeah, that's the plan for this car. I really hope you guys enjoyed this series on this project. I'm really looking forward to working on this car. I'll do my best to make this car look nice again, and I really hope you guys enjoy the videos. And if you're new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, then give it a like. Now you guys know the plan, and you know what I have to work with. I'm gonna do my best to make this car look nice again, and I hope you guys stay tuned for this entire ride. I'm really gonna enjoy doing this project, and I hope you guys enjoy watching. So until next time, I've been Cuz, you've been you, and I'll catch you later.